Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to get rid of mosquitoes. Whether you're dealing with them indoors or outdoors, I've got tried and true methods that are not only effective but also easy to follow. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! The very first thing you need to do is eliminate standing water around your home. Mosquitoes breed in still water, and even a small puddle can be enough for them to lay their eggs. So, check for things like flower pots, clogged gutters, and bird baths. If you have a bird bath, change the water at least every few days. Make sure to also check areas like old tires or children's toys left outside. These can collect rainwater and become breeding grounds without you even realizing it. If you have a pond or larger body of water, consider adding fish like guppies or goldfish. They eat mosquito larvae. According to research from the American Mosquito Control Association, just eliminating standing water can reduce the mosquito population by as much as 75% around your home. Use mosquito nets and screens. Mosquitoes are sneaky, and they love to get inside your house. One way to keep them out is to install screens on your windows and doors. If you already have them, inspect them for any holes or tears. Even a tiny rip can let mosquitoes in, so patch those up as soon as possible. If you live in an area with a high mosquito population, consider investing in mosquito netting for your beds, especially if you like sleeping with the windows open. According to a study published by the World Health Organization, using mosquito nets can reduce mosquito bites by up to 90% in areas where they are most prevalent. Use repellents, DEET, or natural options. There are a few effective repellents out there, and they can make a world of difference in preventing bites. DEET is one of the most effective repellents and has been proven safe for human use in numerous studies. If you're applying it, make sure to cover all exposed skin and follow the instructions on the label. But if you prefer more natural alternatives, essential oils like Citronella, lemon eucalyptus, and Neem oil work well too. According to a 2015 study by the Centers for Disease Control, lemon eucalyptus oil can protect against mosquitoes for up to 6 hours, making it a solid natural choice. When applying repellents, don't forget areas like your ankles, wrists, and neck. Mosquitoes love these spots. Use fans for airflow. Here's a little known trick: mosquitoes aren't strong flyers. By setting up a simple fan, especially in areas where you sit or sleep, you can keep them at bay. They struggle to fly in strong air currents. According to a 2003 study from Michigan State University, placing fans in outdoor spaces reduces mosquito landings by 50% or more. So, whether you're hosting an outdoor dinner or sitting on the porch, place a fan nearby to discourage mosquitoes from buzzing around. Set up mosquito traps. There are a lot of mosquito traps on the market, but the most effective ones use UV light or CO2 to attract and kill mosquitoes. You can find these at most hardware stores or online, and they work well for both indoor and outdoor use. If you're into DIY, you can make your own mosquito trap by mixing sugar, water, and yeast in a bottle. The yeast produces carbon dioxide, which attracts mosquitoes into the trap where they'll get stuck. This is a method backed by basic entomology research, showing how mosquitoes are attracted to CO2, the same thing we exhale. Burn citronella candles or torches. Citronella oil is a natural mosquito repellent, and it's commonly used in outdoor candles and torches. These are perfect for outdoor events like barbecues or camping trips. Studies, including one by the National Pesticide Information Center, have shown that citronella can reduce mosquito landings by 30 to 40% when used in outdoor areas. Place these candles or torches around the perimeter of your outdoor space for the best effect. Wear protective clothing. If you're going to be outside for a long time, especially in the evening or early morning when mosquitoes are most active, wearing long sleeves and pants can really help. Light-colored clothing is best since mosquitoes are attracted to darker shades. This is especially important if you're working in the garden or hiking. Use larvicides. If you live near standing water you can't control, like a pond or marsh, consider using larvicides. These are chemicals that target mosquito larvae before they mature. You can find them in the form of granules or dunks at most garden centers. The Environmental Protection Agency confirms that these are safe for use in ponds and other water bodies without harming wildlife. There you have it. Now you know how to get rid of mosquitoes using a variety of methods, from eliminating breeding grounds to setting up effective traps and using repellents. The key is persistence and combining these techniques for the best results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you've got any mosquito fighting tips that work for you.